What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can pre-order the OnePlus smartwatch. Yes, you heard it correct, the pre-ordering for the OnePlus smartwatch has been started. So before going into the pre-order, I'd like to highlight on some of the specification which the watch is going to be launched. So OnePlus watch is now yet to be revealed as of now, but we have a confirmed news that it will launch alongside the OnePlus 9 series on 23rd March. Now, if we talk about the specification of the watch is going to be similar to the Oppo Watch RX, and it will feature a 46mm dial size and have a black and silver color in options. The smartwatch will also include a heart rate monitor and also the SpO2 sensors as well as the IP68 certified build. It could support fitness tracking features and may include a dedicated swimming pool mode. The OnePlus watch is also rumored to have a 4GB of onboard storage and a walk charge technology to deliver a week-long power in just 20 minutes of charging. And the watch will also run on the Google Wear OS. Now, if we talk about how you can pre-order the smartwatch, as of now the smartwatch pre-ordering is available and it's up for the pre-ordering in China for 50 yuan. Now, if we convert this price range, this is the price which is approximate to near to 600 rupees in Indian marketing, and as it suggests, it should also start very soon in India for pre-registration. Well guys, that's been it. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and also share with your friends, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.